Suzuki has launched the Suzuki Celerio City in the UK, with prices starting at £7,999, in R6,59,594.85. The Celerio City is a special edition. The Suzuki Celerio City is based on the base SZ2 grade. Positioned over the Celerio SZ2, it has a number of value additions for the extra £500. On the outside, it adds 14-inch alloy wheels, black body side moulding with Celerio emblem and black V-pillar trims. Interior features in both grades are the same. The City grade adds reversing sensors in the list of safety and security features. Suzuki will sell only 500 units of the Suzuki Celerio City. For the extra £500, it brings features worth £800, says Suzuki. Unlike the SZ2 grade, the City grade is not available in the Ablaze Red color. Except for Superior White, all other colors, Cerulean Blue, Super Black, Star Silver and Mineral Grey, cost £465 extra. The Suzuki Celerio City is 3,600 mm long, 1,600 mm wide and 1,540 mm tall. It has a wheelbase of 2,425 mm and offers a ground clearance of 145 mm. There's 254 liters of boot space available, expandable to 726 liters unfolding the rear seats. Under the hood, there's the K10B 1.0-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine that develops 68 PS at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 90 Nm of torque at 3,500 revolutions per minute. The Euro 6 engine sends power to the wheels via a 5-speed manual transmission.